Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy rolled out a major new plan today to overhaul the nation's air traffic control system. Now, this all follows a deadly midair collision back in January and also a recent system failure that grounded flights in Newark. Fox's Sarah Legre live for us from Bush Intercontinental Airport. So, Sarah, this is a big move with a big price tag.
Rashi, I mean, it's a multi-billion-dollar plan backed by President Trump. Now, the goal here is to fix what the administration calls an outdated system. Secretary Duffy says it's partially to blame for the air traffic control nightmare that happened recently at Newark Airport. He says fixing the system here, well, that's a necessity.
We're going to rebuild some towers. We're going to rebuild some TRACONs. We're going to rebuild some centers. Everything else that controls the airspace is going to be brand new. So we're going to have new telecom, new fiber throughout the system. We're going to have brand new radios in our towers to communicate between air traffic controllers and with airplanes.
The push comes after a string of close calls, delays, and growing pressure from airlines and pilots. A major FAA outage in 2023 also showed just how vulnerable the system really has become. The FAA says it plans to replace old communication lines with new, more reliable, they say, fiber optic and digital tech across more than 4,600 sites. The administration also plans to swap out 618 radar systems, improving how planes are tracked in the air and on the ground. The FAA also says those systems are way past their lifespan. And for the first time since the 1960s, 6 brand new air traffic control centers will be built. So as you can see, a lot of changes that they're talking about here. The rollout, if this were to happen, would take place over the next 3 to 4 years. But we have to remember this is a multi-billion-dollar plan. It needs to go through Congress, get the green light. And then from there, well, it has a very hefty price tag. So we can expect at this point that there's going to be a lot of pushback. From George Bush, Sarah Legre, Fox 26 News.